Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Toyota Tacoma 4x4. First, let's understand the different drive modes available. Your Tacoma offers two main four-wheel drive settings, 4H or 4 high and 4L or 4 low. Knowing when to use each is crucial for safe and effective off-road driving. We'll cover the best scenarios for engaging each mode to maximize your truck's capability. To engage 4H, you can typically shift on the fly at speeds below 60 miles per hour. Simply turn the transfer case selector knob. For 4L, however, you must bring your Tacoma to a complete stop, shift into neutral, and then turn the knob. This ensures the gears align properly, preventing damage. Always listen for the engagement sound and check your dashboard indicator. Your Tacoma also boasts advanced features like crawl control, which automatically manages throttle and brakes at low speeds, letting you focus on steering. Multi-terrain select allows you to choose settings for different surfaces, optimizing traction. And for the toughest spots, engaging the rear differential lock provides equal power to both rear wheels, ensuring maximum grip when you need it most. Remember, safety is paramount. Always check your tire pressure and tread depth before heading off-road. Drive slowly and smoothly, especially over obstacles, to protect your vehicle and yourself. After your adventure, inspect your Tacoma for any damage or debris. And hey, if you want to keep your ride smelling fresh, check the description below for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.